Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now type c colon and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1. Then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c colon /. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c colon /bcd backup. Then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.